Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about scissors that won't cut anymore. I'll be showing you and telling you how to fix them easily in this very simplistic tutorial. So let's get right into the video. If your scissors won't cut anymore, this is how to fix them easily in a super simple tutorial. Let's get into this. Now there are mainly two reasons why your scissors won't cut anymore. The first is that the blades are too dull, and if the blades are too dull, you're going to have to sharpen them, and that is going to be something that is far beyond the scope of this video. But most of the time, that's not the problem. People think the blades are too dull, but in reality, the blades are just misaligned. So essentially, the scissors cut because the blades are sharp, and they're so close together that when they put the pressure of the sharp blades close together, that's how they cut, okay? So if your blades are misaligned, you can try and fix them easily, and all you need is a screwdriver, just like this. You want to get a screwdriver with just a regular shaft between the handle and the tip. You want a decently long one, because if it's too short, if it's like a stubby one, it's going to be hard to do this. So you want something that's like at least this length, if not a little bit longer, okay? So let's get right into this. Essentially, you're going to open up your scissors carefully, and we're going to realign them just like you hone a knife blade. We're going to hone the scissor blades, okay? So open up the scissors carefully, and you want to essentially work your way on the blade from the inside to the outside. So I can see the cutting part of the blade here is on the inside. This is the outside of this blade. So I'm going to take my screwdriver, and I'm just going to rub it along, pushing a little bit towards the outside. So here's the outside of the blade. Okay, I'm going to rub it along like this and forward and towards the outside like this. Just like that. Forward and towards the outside. Just like that. All you need to do is, honestly, you need to do this maybe 10 times on each side of the blade. Just like that. Okay? Not even a good amount of pressure. Just rub it 10 times on each side of the blade like that. Flip them over. I wasn't even counting. It's about 10. Same thing with this. Okay? What you're doing now is you're realigning the blade to be straight, because scissors, right, and knives, the blades end up curving. They're not perfect. It's just metal. You can hear how tight that blade is. Now listen to how tight that blade is. Listen, you can literally hear how tight that blade is. It's rubbing, okay? So these are going to cut perfectly well, okay? I don't have anything to demonstrate right now, but they're going to cut perfectly well. That's it. If your scissors won't cut anymore, that's how to fix them easily. Simple tutorial. You're either going to have to sharpen them, which is something totally different, but most of the time, almost all the time, you're just going to have to realign them like I showed you how to do right there. Simple life hack. It works wonders. That's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.